Perfect your cover letter, proofreading and editing. Hello, English language learners. Today, we're going to dive into a critical aspect of writing cover letters, proofreading and editing for grammar and punctuation. It's an often overlooked skill, but crucial for making your letter polished, professional, and easy to read. Let's dive in. Proofreading and editing isn't just about spotting and correcting mistakes. It's about enhancing the readability, clarity, and impact of your writing. In the case of a cover letter, it could make the difference between a successful application and one that's overlooked. Remember, your cover letter is a representation of you, so it needs to be as perfect as possible. When proofreading and editing, make sure to check the following. 1. Grammar. Look for common mistakes like subject-verb agreement, incorrect tense use, and misplaced modifiers. 2. Punctuation. Commas, periods, semicolons, and other punctuation marks should be correctly and consistently used. 3. Sentence structure. Your sentences should be complete, concise, and varied in structure to maintain reader interest. 4. Spelling. Even with spell check, some mistakes can slip through, especially with homophones, words that sound alike but have different meanings. An effective technique for proofreading is to read your cover letter aloud. This can help you catch awkward phrases and run on sentences that you might miss when reading silently. Don't shy away from using editing tools to help with proofreading. These include word processing software like Microsoft Word or Google Docs, which have built-in grammar and spelling checkers. However, don't rely solely on these tools. They can miss context-specific errors, so manual proofreading is still essential. It's easy to overlook errors in your own writing, as your brain tends to fill in or correct mistakes for you. That's why having a friend, colleague, or mentor read over your cover letter can be invaluable. They can provide a fresh perspective and catch mistakes you might have missed. Remember, proofreading and editing is the final touch you put on your cover letter before sending it off. It can seem tedious, but it's an important step that ensures your letter is clear, professional, and error-free. A well-proofread cover letter is a sign of respect to the reader, and shows that you pay attention to detail. So, next time you're about to send a cover letter, take the time to proofread and edit. It could make all the difference. I hope you found this video helpful. Happy writing and proofreading!